Admin Search is a tool that allows you to search for objects in your SharePoint hierarchy. To access the admin tool, we log on to DocAve. Over on the left-hand side, we click Administration, and then we go into Administrator. In Administrator, typically you locate objects in your SharePoint or Office 365 hierarchy by browsing from the farm level or down from My Registered Sites. You do that by clicking on that object and then waiting for it to expand. If you have a lot of different objects or groups of objects, you would have to click through the various pages to locate what it is that you're looking for. When you have a lot of objects in the hierarchy, this can be very time-consuming, so it can be easier to actually locate objects by searching for them. To do that, we select the highest level scope in which we want to search, and up at the top, on the Management tab, go to the Admin Search dropdown. Admin Search can run a few different ways. Today, let's take a look at the Form mode. In Form mode, I first give my search a name. This is going to be important because the search will be saved onto the Plan Manager tab up at the top, and a unique name will help you locate that later on. Add a description if you like. Then down below that, we build the search filter. The search filter is the thing that actually goes out and locates these objects for you and returns them as a result of the search. We can see that there are various levels that we can search, all the way down to items and documents. Let's say in this scenario, I'm looking for site collections, where the URL contains the word projects. Once I specify, I click Add, and that drops that condition in. You can set up multiple conditions, and you can link them or separate them using AND and OR operators, which will appear once a second condition is added. Some other factors in the search: do you want to set up now an export location if you choose to export the report at a later time? Export locations can be configured in the control panel. If you haven't done one previously, you can jump to it right from here. Would you like to run this on a schedule as a recurring report? If not, leave it set to no schedule. And would you like to be notified when the job's complete? If so, a notification profile is necessary. They also can be created in the control panel. Let's say I'm just trying to locate my site collections because there's a site collection feature I want to enable for all of my project sites. So I set up my search filter and don't need anything else. So down at the bottom, I will click Save and Run Now. DocAve lets me know that it has successfully saved my plan to the Plan Manager tab. It also lets me know that the job has kicked off, thanks to me clicking Save and Run Now. If we go to Plan Manager, we can see here is the brand new search plan we just saved. It goes here so that later on we can run it again if we choose to. Now, in order to actually see the results, I'm going to select that here and click on Job Monitor. In my Job Monitor tab, I can see that it filters automatically down to these relevant administrator jobs. And here is the name of the plan and the job that just actually ran. To view those results, we check off that job, and up at the top, you will see a Tools drop-down. If I click on Tools, we have the option to view the search results or download the report. I'm going to click View Search Results. To view the search results, we are taken back into Administrator, and now we can see that the only farm showing up is the one that I had selected to run the plan. I can also see below that all of the site collections that are showing across two different pages of them contain the word projects. From here, I can take any action I choose, like for instance, selecting all of those site collections, and up at the top on the Management tab, clicking Site Collection Features. Once the Features page loads, I can scroll through the list of available features, looking for whatever it is that I want to enable or disable for all of these site collections, and then take the appropriate action. Thank you for watching this short video on how to set up and run an admin search in DocAve.